3-day stretch right now. Boom, boom, boom on extremities. And it's a good one like they all are. Guy off with 3 sets of double bag squats. And then it's drop the bags and do lunges. Squatting is going to be a set 15, and then the lunges is just like a max after that. So 3 sets of those guys, 2 minutes of rest. We're going to rip right into it. Oh, man. Woo. All right. Oh, boy. First set's always hell. Okay. I'm going to knock out the rest of this guy, and I'll get back to you guys when we're on the next exercise. Quick note, while it's fresh on my mind, when you're doing the lunges after hitting those squats, focus, or at least what I do is I try to focus my mind on as I'm stepping out, landing, absorbing, and thrusting myself back up hard, like as fast as possible. So you're wanting to, as your foot's coming down in that step out in that lunge, be absorbing it down and shoving yourself back up. And after blasting the squats, it's a good one. I promise you guys that. All right, I'm already on my 3rd set, but I'll see you guys shortly. That's already a leg pump to write home about, let me tell you. All right, so on the reel, next thing we're hitting, although that was real, the next thing we're hitting here is 2 sets of single leg, rear foot elevated, Bulgarian split squats. So it's going to be 2 sets, max rep on one leg, whatever you get on that one, then do on the other leg. And for me, I'm starting with the weaker leg and doing those first. And whatever I get on that is what I will match with the stronger leg, which for me is my right leg. So with that said, I'm going to get rocking. And I believe these are 1.5 minute rest between the 2 sets. So let me hit it. Oh boy. All right. One extra tip that I find is useful is I try to keep my eyes focused on a point on the floor, kind of like 5 feet in front of me, and then use that as my focus point for hitting it. Okay. See you guys when I get done. It is time for posterior chain action. We're going to hit double bag stick Romanian deadlifts. So it's going to focus the hit on the hamstrings, the glutes, and the spinal erectors. Hit some lower lat too. Anyways, basically the whole posterior chain is about to get hit. Max reps. We're going to do a 1.5 minute rest on these guys. 3 sets. I'm going to get ripping, and I will see you guys after I get done with all of them again. See you shortly. Oh, man. Oh, what a set. These are a break, and it is the last thing we're going to be doing for legs. It's one set, max reps, get as many as you could possibly get, double bag stick calf raises. Do it whichever way is more comfortable for you. I like to do them behind my back, where I'll pull them up behind me and then do the calf raises. But this is, you're not holding on anything to balance, so you have to keep your own balance, and you've got the wiggle of the bags. So it all works out pretty good. All right, we're going to hit it. Oh, whew. Those guys are burning. All right, that was it. The one and only of those. Done. On to triceps. You guys know I'm focused on these. Not as focused as on the traps, but I'm definitely on these guys. So, without anything else said, it's going to be 3 sets, 2 minutes rest, double bag stick, overhead tricep extensions. Max reps, get it, and we're going to get it. All right, I'll see you guys on the next thing. I know I got to get down here for this one. We are staying on the triceps with 2 more sets of diamond push-ups, feet elevated. So it's max reps. It's a minute and a half rest in between these guys, and I'm ripping into it. Gun show time, baby. You know what time it is. We are just about done with this guy. I am worn out. Hope you guys are enjoying this content. Hope you're enjoying and getting something out of this. Just get in there and get it. You get in there, you get it, and you're going to get some results. That said, what we're doing now is 4 sets. 1 minute rest. So we're staying on it, so it's going to be a pump job. Pump job! And what is it a pump job of? Double bag stick curls. Yeah, curls. And remember, sides every time, so that way it evens it out. And also, when you come up, drive through the pinky to get the little ball. All right, time to get it. See you guys in the last thing. I made it. You made it. We made it. Yeah! We have made it to the end. I am definitely ready to do some eating. Knock down a good protein shake and get ready for tomorrow. Because as you guys know, we're on the push. We've got 2 more days. Total body. Not tomorrow, but the day after that. And tomorrow is torso. And this thing is done. The split's done. I will then just do some videos going over, talking about this whole thing and actually giving explanations into it. And if you guys have questions, I'll try to respond to any kind of questions about anything. But with that said, this last thing we're going to be hitting here is going to be 3 sets of side planks that are the big slaps. And it's going to be 10 slaps. So 10 reach through, side plank, whatever you want to call them. You'll see what we're doing. It's going to be 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, done. So there's no rest. It's just going from one side to the other side with these 10s. The best thing to do with these guys is inhale up, exhale down and through. That's what I'm going to be doing. So with that said, you will see during this, I will have the whole workout pop up somewhere on here so you can see that. And when this guy's done, it is done. All right. Everybody, peace, love, all that good stuff. I will catch you guys in the next one.